problems faced by the Ndebele in Zimbabwe. Before we start looking at those particular problems, it is important for us to understand that whenever we talk about problems in a state, we are gradually going to its fall, because those problems weaken the state, and when it becomes weak, it finally falls. The state, that's the Ndebele state, had both internal problems and external problems. Let me start with internal problems. Internally, there was a succession dispute when Mzilikazi died in 1868. Some people supported Lobengula, while others said that Nkulumani was alive and he should be king. After a civil war, Lobengula became king in 1870. Secondly, droughts affected the area many times. And then thirdly, cattle diseases were also common in the area. Then externally, the Boers from Transvaal attacked the Ndebele. And the Ngwatu from Botswana also did the same. They attacked the Ndebele. The third external problem had to do with foreigners. The number of foreigners visiting the area was increasing, and this got Lobengula very unsettled and suspicious. There were too many Boers, British, hunters and traders, and miners visiting his area. And the missionaries worried him too, because Christianity was against the Ndebele religion and customs. Unfortunately for Lobengula and his state, some of these missionaries later became agents of colonization. A good example is Robert Moffat. And then we will have the Reverend Mount. We also have Reverend Charles Helm, all becoming agents of colonization against Lobengula. With these problems, it is obvious that the state was not going to stand for a long time, as we shall see in our next lesson.